If the distance between the foci of an ellipse is equal to the length of the latus rectum, write the eccentricity of the ellipse. Let us consider the standard form of an ellipse. X square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1, where a is greater than b. So here the foci can be given as plus or minus ae comma 0, and the length of latus rectum is 2b square upon a. So distance between the foci will be so will be taken 2 ae. So now it's given that foci distance between the foci, that is 2 ae, is equal to the length of the latus rectum, that is 2b square upon a. So which implies E is equal to 2b square upon 2 a into a, that is a square. So we have eccentricity E is equal to b square upon a square, and we had eccentricity formula. Eccentricity is equal to, or E square is equal to 1 minus b square by a square. So on squaring on both sides, we will get E square is equal to b square by a square whole square, or we can write E square value. So from 1 and 2, we can write 1 minus b square by a square is equal to b square by a square whole square. That is b square by a square whole square plus b square by a square minus 1 equals to 0. It is just like a quadratic equation in variable b square by a square. So by using the formula, we can write b square by a square is equal to, or without having any confusion, for some time let b square by a square is equal to p. So we'll have an equation p square plus p minus 1 equals to 0, so that p is equal to minus b by using the formula. For quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, x is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. So we have p is equal to minus 1 plus or minus under root of 1 square minus 4 into negative 1 will become plus 4 upon 2 into 1, that is 2. So we can write minus 1 plus or minus root 5 divided by 2. So this is b square by a square, it is positive value. So that is p is nothing but b square by a square. So let us consider only positive value, minus 1 plus 5 by 2, since p is positive. So we have b square by a square is equal to minus 1 plus root 5 upon 2. So which implies that b upon a is equal to under root of minus 1 plus root 5 divided by 2. And we have eccentricity E is equal to under root of 1 minus b square by a square. So which implies under root 1 minus b square by a square value. Let us substitute this, 1 minus of minus 1 plus root 5 divided by 2, and simplifying we can write under root of 2 ones are 2, minus of minus here plus 1, and again minus root 5 divided by 2. So E is equal to under root of 3 minus root 5 divided by 2. So for finding the square root of irrational numbers, let us multiply and divide with 2 inside. So we'll have 6 minus 2 root 5 in the numerator upon 2 2s are 4, so that the numerator can be written, 6 can be written as root 5 whole square plus 1 whole square minus 2 into root 5 into 1, and the denominator is 2 square we can write. So we have eccentricity E is equal to, the numerator is root 5 minus 1 whole square, and the denominator root of 2 square is 2. So we have eccentricity E is equal to root 5 minus 1 upon 2. So this is the answer.